Good morning, children. Welcome to Standard 3 Mathematics class. Today we are going to do division. What is division? Division is a process by which equal amount of distribution can be done among a group. We can also say division is equal sharing. Now, children, what is the sign of division? This is the sign of division. This denotes division. Now, children, everybody celebrates birthday, isn't it? You celebrate your birthday, I celebrate my birthday. Today is Anu's birthday and she has brought 12 candies for her 3 friends and she wants to distribute it amongst them equally. Now, she needs help. So, how will she distribute? Let's help her to distribute the candies. So, let's help her. Now, I am going to make 3 circles. Please look carefully. Now, I have drawn 3 circles for her 3 friends. She has 12 chocolates. So, let's distribute it and see each one gets how many candies. So, each got 2. Now, let's see 3, 4. So, now I have no candies left here. That means each of them have got 4 candies. But oh, let's see now what happened, children. Her 2 more friends have come. So, we will have to make 2 more circles for her 2 friends because she has to give them also the chocolate. Now, what we will do? Let's do the same thing. Let's divide it among the 5 of them. Now we'll see 5 gets how many. Now all of them have got 2 candies. How many is left here, children? 2 candies are left. But we cannot distribute this among the 5. So each one of them is getting how many candies, children? They are getting 2 each. So it's 5 2s are 10. So children, now you saw what did I do? I did equal sharing. So let's do few sums. Now 35 divided by 4. Now 4 8s are 32. 5 minus 2 is 3. 0. 17 divided by 3. Now you have to say the tables of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. 7 minus 5, 2. 45 divided by 6. So, how many times, children? 6 7s are 42. 5 minus 2 is 3. 35 divided by 7. How many times 7? 7 5s are 35. So 5 minus 0 is 0 and 3 minus 0, 3 is 0. So the remainder is 0. Now children, let's do odd and even. You have already studied odd and even in standard 2. Now here I have one sketch pen in my hand. Does it form a pair? No, one object does not form any pair. Now I have 2. Does it form a pair? Yes. 2 objects form one pair. 2 objects form one pair. Now this is one pair. But if I have 1 in my hand, no, this is not a pair. Now when I have 3 sketch pens in my hand, how many pairs will I make? 1, 2. Now this is 2 sketch pens, this is one pair and one is left. Now suppose I have 4 sketch pens. Now I have 4 sketch pens, children. How many pairs will it form? Yes, it will form 2 pairs. Now I have 2 pairs. Now suppose I have 5 sketch pens. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 sketch pens. Now how many pairs will it form? 2 makes 1. So this is one pair, this is one pair, two pairs, and one is left. So I have how many pairs, children? 1, 2, and one is left. So children, number that makes pair without leaving remainder are called even numbers, and the numbers which leaves 1 as remainder when divided by 2 is called odd numbers. So let's do on the board. Cross the odd numerals and ring the even numerals. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, which are the odd numbers here, children? 1. 1 is just 1. Does it make a pair? No. So, this is odd. So, we will cross. 2 is an even number. 3 is an odd number. 4 even. 5 is odd. 6 is even. 7 is odd. 8 is even. 9 is odd. And 10 is even. Now 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Now here which are the odd numbers, children? 61, 63, 65, 67 and 69. Now we have to ring the even numbers. So let's ring them. 4, 6, 8, 10. 62, 64, 66, 68 and 70. Write the even numbers between 61 and 73. We will write even numbers. So after 61, 62. Now 63 is not even. 64, 66, 68, 70, 72. Write the odd numbers between 76 and 88. Odd numbers. Now 76 is even, 77 is odd. 79, 81, 83, 85 and 87. What is fraction? It's two equal parts. Equal means the parts have two halves. Again, children, two equal parts of the whole is written as 1 by 2. And four equal parts of the whole is written as 1 by 4. You have already done fraction in class 2, isn't it, children? So let's begin. Shade half of each figure. Now, this is a figure. You have to shade half. So, let's shade half, children. So, now I have shaded half. It's two parts and one part is shaded. Now, here in this figure, how many parts are there? There are two parts, 1 and 2. We have to shade half. So, we will shade one part. Look at this square. The square has been divided into two equal parts. So let's shade half of this. Now let's do the next one. Shade quarter of each figure. How many parts is it divided, children? 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have to shade one part. So let's shade one part. Now, here again, how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have to shade one part. So, this is 1 by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Equally divided. Now we have to shade it. So let's shade it, children. To the next one. Observe the following diagrams carefully. There are 3 diagrams. Observe them carefully. Write the fraction made by the shaded portion in the box. So let's write the fractions, children. How many parts is it divided? It's divided into 2 parts. So we write it down, bottom. How many parts is shaded? 1. So it's half, 1 by 2. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4. It's divided into 4 equal parts and 1, 2, 3 parts are shaded. 3 by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's divided into 5 equal parts. And how many parts is shaded, children? 1. Now children, please go through all these exercises properly. Parents, worksheets related to these exercises will be uploaded on the school website. Kindly go through it and help your child to do them.